welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Odyssey. But in today's video, we're gonna pack some orders. I have 3 of them, so I'm just like, why not let that be this week's YouTube video? I'm gonna show you guys how I pack my orders. So we're about to just get right into it because I bought some ink yesterday so I can print out their packing slips. So I already installed my ink, and I'm about to put this in here so I can print the packing slip out. And yeah, we're just about to get to it. So the packing slip is all printed out, and she got Nova, Leah, Summer booked. So she got 2 of Nova and 2 of Leah. So I'm about to get that right quick. And then we got booked. Y'all, this is the last one of booked. Unfortunately, my girl is not getting restocked, so she got the last one. So for lashes, she got Summer. And then she got 2 of Leah. Cute. That's her favorite pair of lash. Like, she always getting that one. Y'all, this is my friend's order. She also got 2 of Nova. And I honestly don't think I'm going to restock these either, because I don't have any more tubes, so I'm going to have to figure that out. I'm about to show y'all what it looks like. I'll lay it out. Boy has entered the chat, y'all. Say hi, baby. No, so mommy can't touch you right now. No, we're packing orders. I showed you guys what her order looked like, so now I'm about to pack it up, and I'm gonna put it in a box because it's going all the way to Japan. But I'm about to make this box right quick. I'll write on a packing slip, and I'll just write thank you, and I'll put a heart, and then I'll fold her packing slip up, and I always put the packing slip in first at the bottom, just like that. I'll grab some of my business cards and put them in there. And then I'll grab a thank you card. And I'll put her on top. And so cool. And then I'll fold these like this. Then I'll grab a sticker and I'll put it on there, but I don't have any more odessyjbeauty stickers, so I'm gonna put a thank you sticker. I love packing orders, y'all. We got one order now, and we got about 2 more to go. Y'all, I have horrible OCD. Like, I have to clean up after myself every 5 minutes. Now I'm making two little bundles for my nieces. So I'm gonna make these all cute. That's why I didn't use these for that order. So I want them to be the same. Y'all get the vibe. So I gave both of them booked, and then I gave both of them spice. And then her mom got, so I'm gonna put her in the back too. And I'm gonna put them in their package usually. I think I'm gonna do a little smaller. I have these white ones, which are a bit smaller. And I got these because my thank you cards, they fit perfectly here. So this was a great investment, y'all. If you have a business, go on AliExpress and get you some poly mailers, some bubble mailers, whatever you need for cheap. I got 50 of them for like, not even $10, I think. Like these, this is good. Now let's pack it up. Yeah, y'all, that's how I pack my orders most of the time. Usually I make a TikTok, but I just didn't do a TikTok today. So, yeah, I guess that's it. I don't even know what else to vlog. But yeah, y'all, so I'm about to, what time is it, 4:17? I might make it to the post office today. I might not, but yeah, I'm just about to finalize and close all these orders. So, yeah. I'll see you guys in my next video.